10 Best Quotes of Film Shane 1953. Shane. Consciously crafted by director George Stevens as a piece of American myth-making, Shane is on nearly everyone's shortlist of great movie westerns. A buckskin knight, Shane, Alan Ladd, rides into the middle of a range war between farmers and cattlemen, quickly siding with the sword-busters. While helping a kindly farmer, Van Heflin, Shane falls platonically in love with the man's wife, Jean Arthur, in the last screen performance of A Marvelous Career. Though the showdowns are exciting, and the story simple but involving, what most people will remember about this movie is the friendship between the stoical Shane and the young son of the farmers. The kid is played by Brandon D. Wild, who gives one of the most amazing child performances in the movies. His parting scene with Shane is guaranteed to draw tears from even the most stony-hearted moviegoer. Marion Starrett, isn't there anything I can say that'll change things? Joe Starrett, can't you see, honey, maybe this is the chance. Morgan and them boys went home. Marion Starrett, you don't really believe that. That's not the reason. Joe Starrett, it's just too much for me to give up this place and the valley. All the things that will be. Marion Starrett, it's as though I'd be glad for you to go. Joe Starrett, honey, you're the most honest and the finest girl that ever lived, and I couldn't do what I gotta do if I hadn't always known that I could trust ya. A man who watches what is going on around him will make his mark. Shane? This quote establishes Shane's observant nature and foreshadows his eventual intervention. Asterisk, there's no shortcut to being a gunfighter. Crease highlights the cost and danger associated with gun violence. Asterisk, a man is what he is, Bob, and there's no breaking the mold. I tried that and I've lost. Shane expresses Shane's regret and his struggle to leave his past behind. Asterisk, Shane. Shane. Come back. Little Joey, a heartbreaking plea that encapsulates the hope Joey places on Shane and the audience's desire for a happy ending. Asterisk, you ain't never gonna change. You'll always be waiting for someone to come along and fight your battles. Marion to Joe Starrett challenges Joe's reliance on others and highlights the need for personal courage. Shane, a man has to be what he is, Joey. Can't break the mold. I tried it and it didn't work for me. Shane, there's no living with a killing. There's no going back from one. Right or wrong, it's a brand that sticks. Joe Starrett, you know, some people don't realize it, but you can do more with a smile and a gun than you can with just a smile. Shane, I don't want you to be like me. I want you to be a fine gentleman. Marion Starrett, we'd all be much better off if there were more men like Shane. Joey Starrett, Shane. Come back.